Hello everyone, welcome back to Must Watch Tips by AP. My name is Ayman Sheikh and today in this video we will learn how to use VLookup. There are many lookup functions like HLookup, XLookup, VLookup. So today in this video we will be covering VLookup function. So what does V stands in VLookup? So V stands for vertical. So if you want to apply formula vertically, then we will be using VLookup. What does this VLookup do? So suppose we have data like this where we have student name and the state name. We have not written here in which state student stays. So we have another sheet having what is the state ID and what is the state name. If student is having 3 as a state ID, which means student lives in Gujarat. Same way, if student is having 6 in the state ID, so that means that student lives in Andhra Pradesh. So now we have state ID in front of the student name and we want to add state name as well here. So instead of seeing what is one and copy pasting Delhi, we can apply VLookup formula. So while applying VLookup on state ID, we need to make sure that state ID in the another table should be in first column. So let's apply the VLookup formula. First, to apply a formula, we will press equal to, then we will write VLookup. Then the lookup value is the state ID. We want the lookup for state ID. So we have selected the lookup value and the table array should be this state ID and state name table. So now we want this table to be fixed. So we will press F4. We will select and we will press F4. So now that table is fixed and we will press comma. The next is column index number. So we want state name and that state name is on second column. A column is the first column and B column is the second column. So we will be selecting 2 as the number, or we will be writing 2 number because the data which we are pulling from this table is in second column and we want exact match. So we will be pressing false and press tab. We'll close the bracket. So now you can see that we have received Delhi as our answer. Now if I will drag this formula, so you can see that for 6 state ID we are receiving Andhra Pradesh, and you can check also that on 6th number we have Andhra Pradesh. In same way we can drag the same formula till the end. So for 4th number you have Odisha. So this is how we apply VLookup formula. Thank you for watching. If you want to learn more such tips, do subscribe Must Watch Tips by AP.